Hey, this is Jimmy with Chef Units, and today I will be giving you a tour on Santa Ana food truck. Okay, so on the exterior side, on the left side of the food truck, you should have your Cummins generator. You just want to pry it open, and it will slowly open its way up. This is to record your hours, your dates, your maintenance of service performed. This is your maintenance. You should check your oil level, your coolant levels every 8 hours. To the left, you got your little panel of how many hours, the same way as the dashboard, and you got your 50 amp 2-pole AC breaker over here. You want to make sure that is on the food truck. You will have included a 50 amp adapter and a 50 amp 25 feet extension cord. So right here, this is your 50 amp outlet. All you want to do is figure out a way to press it in, twist it, and it's locked in. It won't go nowhere. And this, the good thing about this, you can instantly connect to a building if you don't want to use a generator. So you can use a 110 regular extension cord, instantly connected to a building, and you should be ready. Here to the right, we have a breaker. We have the breaker panel. Your main breaker is your front AC fan. Your number 3 is your outlet number 3. Number 5 is your outlet number 1. And number 5B is your Bluetooth receiver and outlet number 2. Number 7A is your water heater. Number 7B is your outlet number 4. Number 9A is your refrigerator. Number 11A is your rear AC fan. 11B is your hood lights and extractor. To the right, you got your main, which is 2 and 4. 6A is your TV outlet. 6B is your interior lights of the food truck and the exterior lights. Number 8 is your water pump. B is your prep table. 10 is your refrigerator. 10B is your freezer. 12A is your gas detector, and 12B is your outlet number 5. Of the center console of the vehicle, to the left, you got this Cummins on-in panel where you can start the generator, and it tells you the hours. Up here, you just want to press it for 5 seconds, and the generator will instantly turn on. Okay, so here to the right, you got your wash station. You got your wash, rinse, sanitize, your wash hands only. Up here, you got your towel dispenser, your soap dispenser. You got your wash hose up there. To the right, you got your water pump. Down here, under the sink, you got your 6-gallon water heater, and to the left, you got your water pump. So over here to the right, you got your water pump switch, which should turn on your water pump that's down there under the sink. And once it's on, that's your high pressure water. You got your water waste valve. So this is quick and easy access to let go of the fluids. Twist, open, and down here is your valve. What you want to do is just bring it down, and water should start flowing out. Over here to the left, you got your freezer, your refrigerator, and your second refrigerator. As we head down, over here to the left, you got your TV. Here's your setup. If you want to connect any more cables, you got your front AC fan. Turn the knob. We'll start blasting cold air. And to the further back, you got your rear AC. Okay, here to the right, if you want to start turning on the appliances, we want to make sure that the extractor is on. As well, turn on the hood light so you can see what you're doing. This will be your 5-pointer fire suppression system. It's connected all the way to the very end. That will be your lever in case of a fire. You manage to pull the handle on the griddle and on the hot plate oven. Okay, on the outside of the food truck, down here will be your undermount propane tank. As you get closer, this will be your valve. Right now it's connected to the propane tank so we can test it out. Right now we will open it. We will open the gas line as well as we will open the propane tank, meaning gas will start flowing in. So in order to turn on the range, what you want to do is open the gas line for the range oven, and when we open the valve, we should have what's called gas in the line coming straight through it. So what you want to do is adjust this little regulator in between there. Make sure that there's a hissing sound. Once there's a hissing sound, you want to light it up, and the pilot should be on, and you want to dim the flame to the blue color. You want to dim the flame to the blue color. Once that is at a blue color, now you're ready to light up your hot plate. As we keep heading down to the back of the truck, over here to the left, you got your gas detector to report any carbon monoxide or any gas leakage. Over here is your salad prep table. And to the left and to the right, you got your wash shelves. Over here to the right, you got your Bluetooth receiver. Below, you should have your documents, your warranties for any paperwork or any refrigerator, salad prepper that you got on your food truck. You got your stainless steel table from the back to the front. You got your extension cord, and you got your Type K fire extinguisher, your liquid extinguisher. And at the right passenger door, the moment you come in, you should see this little switch to the right. Is the awning switch. You got your open and closed. Little panel. The moment you open it, you should see that it's only diesel. And this diesel is just for the generator, the Cummins generator. You should see your little gauge and how much fluid it has.